All right guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this project that was just dropped off to us. Brand new 2025 Audi R8 V10 Performance. This is the rear wheel drive version. This is a typical black on black R8. A beautiful spec to start with, but obviously the R8s in our opinion have the I would say largest ability to improve upon. And the first thing that we're going to do is address this wheel and tire package. The wheel and tire package, it's a somewhat interesting design, but very flat faces, and they're also very tucked in. So nearly an inch overall in track width you can improve with spacers or with a set of custom wheels and tires, which we're going to be doing. So this car is going to get the second set of LM550s, direct from MB Forge label collab. This car is going to be set up with a satin black and gloss black wheel combo. We're also going to get rid of all of the chrome accents on the car. The silver accents make it more monochromatic. Also, the car is going to get full PPF from Justin. It's already had a paint correction. So the car will look really good aesthetically. The client's going to leave it at the stock ride height for now. Take a look at how the 2021 staggered fitment looks. Make sure you can get in and out of his drive. And if we're going to lower it, we may lower it after the fact. But even better than the wheel and tires is going to be on the back side of the car. We're going to address the exhaust system. You guys have seen we've done RYFT on several R8s, Huracans, Ferraris. This one is no exception. It will get the factory exhaust removed, and we're going to install a RYFT exhaust on it, which should sound phenomenal and really match the looks of the car. So we're excited to get this one in the shop, start disassembling it, and we'll show you guys the exhaust as we pull it out of the box, and the wheels and tires, of course. So we have our R8 in the bay. We're gonna wait to lift that till Mark gets here. But in the meantime, Justin and I are gonna open up our RYFT exhaust for this V10 and show you guys how sexy this looks. And then obviously in the end, you'll hear how good it sounds.
So today we're working on this R8 and I'm gonna open up the RYFT exhaust for it. Oh.
Go ahead, install me today, I'm ready.
How much power you add? Oh, I forgot about the cubes.
There's the patented RYFT hacking.
Put your hand in.
And there it is, guys. This is RYFT's fully valved, full titanium Audi R8 exhaust. Now, what they have changed, I've talked to Lance and Vince, they do make this valved, so it will operate with the factory valving. They went away from the race system for the R8 for a specific reason, which I'm not aware of, but this system screams with the valves, so it's gonna sound great. There's no disappearing sound like we've had in the Huracan in the past. Sometimes on the Huracan, the sound change from the race version to the muffler was too drastic and the customers only preferred the race. In this case, this is the perfect setup, and can you argue with something that beautiful? All right, guys, so you saw Mark and myself take off the factory exhaust. It has a big piece of heat shielding attached to it, which Mark is taking off behind us right now. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you guys what has to be removed in order to put this exhaust system in there flawlessly. Obviously, Mark took apart the whole top side, the air intakes, the factory exhaust, the mounts, the tail lights, everything to give us clear access in there, and also access our barrel clamps that will go in here to our link pipes. So once he gets that all taken apart, he's going to reassemble some of that onto the RYFT system. After that's all set up, we'll get it into place and then show you guys that system raw before we start to assemble everything back together. All right, guys, so we have our RYFT exhaust on our new Audi R8, which leads us now to addressing that stance, changing those wheels and tires to our new label LM550s. I'm really excited to see these come together in the car. So the client really wanted an all black option on this car. We're doing black badges and everything. So with the wheels, you'll see on the details, we did the black, gloss black color fill, and also satin black centers, gloss black lips. And then of course, MV Forge uses all of the titanium hardware to assemble these wheels, making it ultra lightweight and strong. So I think this is going to give that car that full black, black, black treatment that the client's looking for. And I'm excited to get them on the car right now and get it down on the ground so we can see what they look like. So here it is, guys, our 2024 Audi R8 V10 rear-wheel drive performance model. And I think it's just a really nice, classic, clean transformation from what arrived, which was the standard wheels, chrome badges, really not a lot of flair to it, and very docile on the exhaust sound. Just show you quickly what we did on this. Obviously, we did a full paint protection film package on this with Justin. We also pulled all the emblems off. We sourced all of the factory Audi emblems from the black optic package, took those off the front grille, and obviously the V10 badges and things like that. Alongside of the car, we tinted the side markers, not all the way black because I don't necessarily like that look. I think just a nice smoke finish brings the tone down, kind of matches everything very nicely. And then Justin did a gloss PPF application to the silver gas fill, which is always kind of an eyesore sticking up high there. But I think the star of the show from an aesthetic standpoint is obviously these new label MV forged LM550s. Now you guys saw us release a set of these on a Z07. Here we have them on the R8, and honestly guys, I feel like this makes the biggest change in it. And also, you don't have to run a spacer or anything like that. They do look more concave in the back and look really good. And obviously if you come in close here, you'll see our label cap matches the Audi carbon fiber very well. And on this particular model, we did source a full titanium lug bolt set, which looks really well with those satin centers. Now on the back, you cannot see much of that RYFT exhaust, unfortunately. And obviously we have all of our heat shielding in there, but you do get this little glimpse of titanium popping through, which I think looks really awesome. We stayed with the factory gloss black tips, and then did a light smoke also on the tail light package, and obviously our black R8 in Audi trim rings. So overall, very happy with how the car turned out. The customer wanted something like a classic looking vehicle that's not going to age, not very abrasive as far as seeing it go down the road in bright colors and things like that. So I think this will accomplish it for him very well. But I think the thing that you guys probably most want to hear is how the exhaust note has changed, because that factory exhaust is quiet, and that's what I'm going to do for you now. I'm going to start it up, let you guys hear a little bit at idle, let you hear some revving, and then you can let me know in the comments if you love it or you hate it. Again, thanks for watching this episode, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this content. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Let us know we're doing a good job or a bad job, because I see you guys out there saying we're not always the best, but we do what we can. Mic's working. I think the mic's working on this one. See you the next one, guys.